Can stay up late, swapping manly stories, and in the morning, I'm making waffles. Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do something super quick and easy. We're just gonna make waffles. I've been using this recipe since I was like 12. My favorite thing about this recipe is that it holds the batter real well for a couple days, like 3 to 5. So I'll make fresh waffles for like 3 days in a row instead of like having to whip something up each morning. And even if you woke up late and you want waffles, this really we could just throw this together in like 5 minutes. So you probably already have everything. All you need is milk, vegetable oil, baking powder, 2 eggs, flour, sugar, and salt. Maybe a dash of vanilla extract if you want to do that. The only variable for this recipe, if we're using whole milk, 2% skim, light milk, or whatever, you want to use 2 cups. But if you want to use like buttermilk, which I have, it's really good, half and half, maybe some cream and whole milk together, you want to use 2¼ cup, all right? And I'll list that below. I just find if we use 2¼ cup of whole milk, it becomes too thin and like just your waffle doesn't become perfect like it should be, like big and fluffy. So let's just throw this together. Um, so we're gonna do 2¼ cup of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. I feel like that's a tablespoon of sugar. A teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of salt. Sorry, half teaspoon of salt. And 4 teaspoons of baking powder, which is also a tablespoon and a teaspoon. Which I don't know why they don't just list that in fucking recipe books, but it's so frustrating. They'll be like 5 teaspoons, and it's like that's 1 tablespoon, 2 teaspoons. But no. Okay, go ahead and just give that a little mix real quick. Put that off to the side. I don't have buttermilk right now, so I'm just doing 2 cups. 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. 2 eggs. Of course, I would run out of memory on my phone right there. But then you're going to go ahead and add your liquid to your dry, and we're just going to go ahead and mix it up. Now, I've always wanted to buy one of those like really nice waffle irons that flip, but since I have one at work usually, I don't want to drop $150 for one at home. So I'll show you a little like trick with like I bought this one for $20 at a grocery store that I use to make the perfect waffle on these. So now that you got your batter, I do like 2.5 to 3 scoops of what is this, a 2-ounce scoop? Yep, 2-ounce scoop. So 5 to 6 ounces. So even though it says like the little green light, it's just like a $20 waffle iron, so it's not gonna be correct. So I go ahead and just like press it down. Another way I judge the perfect waffle is if you don't have any like, you don't want it like running over and then you gotta clean up. Like, that's no fun. So once you get your waffle to like right about where it looks good, all I do is just take a fork, pick it up, turn it over. There you go, and then cook it again on the other side for another 30 to 60 seconds, and the perfect waffle in a $20 waffle iron with the best recipe. Top with your desirable berries and maple syrups and butter. There you go. I'm gonna blow your mind with this one. Why cut it off the stick when you could just rub the stick on there? The perfect waffle. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. The recipes in the box below. Thanks again.